Bienvenida a la segunda parte sobre la evaluación del curso. Bueno, voy a hablar un poco en inglés ahora. Welcome to part 2 of the syllabus. This goes over the evaluation, breakdown, and criteria. Again, just a reminder, there is no textbook. Okay. Evaluation criteria. It's based on percentage, not on the number of points. And it is broken down into online grammar assignments, weighing 10%. There are written assignments, which is 10%. There are student engagement, participation, responsibility. That's 10%. You will have online oral dialogues in partners. That is 20%. You will have different quizzes worth 20%. You will have professional presentations that will be worth 15%. And your midterm oral and written, as well as your final oral exam, are combined for 15% of the grade. And then you'll see the grading scale. Okay, so 97 and above is an A+. Just to let you know, realistically, I adjust it so that, if it's a 96.5 at the end of the semester, it will be rounded up, 0.5 or above. Okay, so you can see that we go on the plus-minus system. Okay. Now, all assignments will be turned in by Sunday night before midnight. There's no late work accepted, and there's no extra credit in this course. Now, the only exception to this happen to be the exams, the midterm and final exams, as well as information due the last week of the course, which consists only of a Monday and Tuesday. Okay. So, the breakdown, the online grammar assignments. Okay. Most of them will be completed through studyspanish.com. And you will actually do these exercises until you get a 100%. You will use a print screen to copy your results and place them in a Word document. And you'll put that document in the folder on Blackboard. Many of the activities will be completed using the online workbook, while others are additional activities found in that Blackboard folder for that week. Okay. So this is actually, you should be getting 100% in this 10% because, again, you're going to do these exercises. You'll read the grammar explanation, do the required exercises, and you'll do them as many times as necessary until you get 100%. And then all you will do is use print screen to copy your results into a Word document, which is what you will submit to me. Okay. I know it's a little out of order from the box above, but the next description is the student engagement and participation responsibility. So I've already mentioned about emailing. Okay. Let me just go through exactly what it says, that throughout the semester you'll be responsible for engaging in the course with other students and with the instructor via a variety of different activities. Okay. Your respectful, proactive, and timely engagement, participation, interaction occurs within the online oral dialogues. Okay. Comments on professional presentations, responses to feedback given, and emails to your instructor all count in this area. Okay. So page 2, or part 1 of our video, I reviewed the formatting of how to write an email in Spanish. Then you will also have written assignments. Written assignments must be turned in as a PDF attachment with the corresponding rubric as part of that attachment. And the rubric can be found in Blackboard under Documents. A grade letter will be deducted when you do not turn them in as a PDF nor attach the rubric to that PDF. Okay. And there is a video available that will show you how to make and attach a PDF rubric. Okay. Written assignments must include the appropriate format and content. Okay. Essays, critiques, and cultural activities should have an introduction, a body, and a conclusion. And when necessary, references or works cited should be included in the body of the paper as well as at the end of the essays. Now, online dialogues. Students will work with different classmates. Now, we only have a class currently of 4. And so you'll work with one person through part of the semester, and you'll work with another person through the other part. You'll work with different classmates to present oral dialogues. Students will be given the dialogue topic at the beginning of each week, and you will have the entire week to practice with your partner. The dialogues must be recorded online, turned in at the end of each week. And we will be using Google Hangouts, and I also have included a video by the Professora Berber McNeil on how to use Google Hangouts. Okay. Dialogues are graded on fluency, vocabulary, pronunciation, grammar, and content. Okay. And your participation is determined by your availability, willingness to meet with virtual partners to record dialogues, the interaction with myself. If you are unable to meet with your partners at the agreed upon time, it is your responsibility to contact them with at least 3 hours of anticipation. And please copy me if you are canceling an agreed upon meeting with your group. Okay. Now, 3 times during the semester, you will have professional presentations. These will be you will be required to complete activities that are designed to give you more knowledge about the medical field and Hispanics within your community. In fact, some are reading articles to help you out or watching videos. Some are actually going out into the community, speaking with healthcare professionals, visiting not exactly pharmacies, but health stores, places that sell herbs, for example, homeopathic shops. Okay. And each one, after you've completed the cultural activity, you're going to present a 4 to 6 minute oral presentation via Google Hangouts on Air, and you will upload your presentation to Blackboard. You will be evaluated on this. Okay. But also, the next week, you will be commenting on the first 2 professional presentations that are turned in. You will be commenting on the presentations of your classmates, and those comments will consist or be part of your participation. Okay. There are quizzes. Okay. Blackboard quizzes should serve as a quick review of main points covered in that section. Makeup quizzes are only granted due to extenuating circumstances. Okay. I will most likely need documentation if you miss a quiz. Okay. Now there is a midterm, okay, oral and written exam and a final oral exam. Okay. The oral exams are interviews, and they are divided into 2 parts. Okay. We will do these via Google Hangouts. Okay. The first part will focus on vocabulary, okay, and the second part will include the vocabulary and grammar, in which we will do an oral dialogue, one of which you have already done up to that point in the semester. Okay. At midterm time, there's also a written exam covering the vocabulary and the grammar covered in the first couple weeks of class. Okay. I will start going through the policies, la política, in video number 3. Nos vemos entonces.